Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we're going to give you an update on the portfolio, an update on the position we updated, update the tracker, the dividend tracker on trackyourdividends.com, and update the other dividend tracker for the spreadsheet, and we'll just kind of go through it. But if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. And so we will get right into it here, guys. And for the day, the portfolio closed out at $7,644.33. We're up $14.23 on the day, up 0.19%. For the 1 week, we're up $115.76, up 1.54%. For the 1 month, we're up $176.73, up 2.37%. For the 3 months, we're up $272.15, up 3.69%. For the 1 year, we're up $1,178.09, up 18.22%. And for the all time since starting this portfolio, we're up $1,210.15, up 18.81%. So as you can see here, we're pretty much positive on all fronts here, and we'll talk about that, of course. But the position we updated today was Manulife Financial Corporation, closing out today at $25.13, up 7 cents on the day, up 0.28%. We now have 25 shares of this, total position value of $628.25. Average price of getting in is $21.11, and it holds about 8.23% of the portfolio. Today's return is 0.26%, and a total return since starting this position is $100.41. That's 19.02%. And so with this position that we have in this portfolio, as some of you may know that are not new to the channel, that are coming back and know that for the rest of the year, we will be trying to balance out the portfolio here and try to maintain a 10% across the board, as there's only 10 different positions in this portfolio. Okay. Manulife, ticker symbol is MFC. If you haven't seen that yet, it is an insurance company in the financial sector that has a market cap of $48 billion. A PE ratio of 6.86%, and a yield of 4.47%. If we go into here today, we purchased 4 shares at $25.09 a piece, coming at a total cost of $100.36. And so that is the position we updated today. And so we will head right over to trackyourdividends.com and talk about the portfolio here. So last week, the portfolio was closed out at $7,493. No, that's not true. As of today, without the updated position, it closed out at $7,493. And we have a capital appreciation or a profit of so far $1,366 without the updated position. Dividend yield at 3.32% if you're to build the portfolio as it stands today. And we have a yield on cost of 4.06%, which means we use the strategy of dollar cost averaging over time, and we buy whether it's high, whether it's low on these positions, and our yield on this portfolio is 4.06%. So we are getting a bigger yield than if you were to build the portfolio as it stands today. We are just building this over time, so we're getting an ROI. If you don't know what ROI, it's return on investment at a higher percentage, because we had purchased maybe at a lower price, and that means a higher yield. So that means a higher return on our investment. Okay, annual income of $249 per year. And as you can see here, if we go down to Manulife, previously we had only 21 shares. Today closed out at $25.13. A change of 7 cents today. Our average cost previously was $20.36 last week, and a profit currently at $100.17. Dividend yield of 4.46%, but we are making a whopping 5.5% or 5.5% on this position, with an annual income coming in at $23.52. But before we update the position here, I just want to go to the diversification side and show you guys Manulife Financial Corporation last week held about 7%. And we want to get it to about that 10% mark by the end of the year, as for most of these positions, to balance out the portfolio. So we start off 2022 with a balanced portfolio, and we can continue to increase positions in a slow but steady manner. And so we'll go ahead and add the holding for Manulife, and the ticker symbol for Manulife Corporation is MFC. And then for Canadian stocks, it's .to. And as you can see there, that is there. And we purchased 4 shares today at a cost basis of $25.09. Go ahead and add that holding, and boom. So we can go over this portfolio again. So updated position, updated portfolio value of $7,594 with an increase of $1,367 on a return for capital appreciation. Dividend yield today with the updated position is 3.33%, and we are still able to maintain a yield on cost of over 4%, just barely, with an annual income of $253. So we head down to Manulife. Now we have 25 shares, closed out at $25.13. Nothing changed there, but our average cost came up, excuse me, to $21.11 with a profit of $100.50. Dividend yield today, again, 4.46%. That doesn't change, but now our return on investment is 5.31%. So it went down from 5.5%. And now our annual income from this in dividend payments is $28. Okay, and so we'll head back to Wealthsimple Trade here. And as you can see, we will pop up the spreadsheet on the screen. So for 2021, our dividends now have increased up to $145.48. We did receive a dividend mid-October there, and I will do a dividend breakdown, of course, when the month is over, to show you guys the dividend breakdown on which companies paid which dividends and how much, as we do every single month at the end of the month or the beginning of the new month. And so with the total of $145.48 in dividends being paid, year-over-year growth coming in at 738%, using last year as a baseline. Of course, last year again was not a full year, but we used $17.37 as a baseline. Net deposits coming in for this year, including referrals. So if you haven't used the referral link, it is down below. You get 1 free share once you fund your account. And it's not a free share, it's the value of the share. You get that in cash, and then you can decide what you want to do with that cash. You can withdraw it or whatever you decide to do. Total invested since starting the portfolio is $6,434.18 with a market value as of today, as we already know, is $7,644.33, which means we have had a performance this year of 5.97%. So this past month or so, the market was down, and it just seemed like it wasn't gaining any traction. But as you can see, we are kind of positive. Well, we are positive in every aspect, from the days to the weeks to the months to the 3 months to the 1 year and to the all. I'd imagine that a lot of investors have seen their portfolios maybe hit an all-time high. I know I did in my private portfolio there, and it just seemed like a grim ending to 2021 where the market was going down. I don't know if it's still up. I'm pretty sure it is, but it's not as high as it was a couple days ago. And so the market has come back to where the levels are that we haven't lost anything, which is fine. And it was just a rocky September, October-ish kind of time, and that's totally fine. And so we are hopefully heading in the right trajectory for the rest of the year, and hopefully we can start off 2022 with a strong year, maybe with some new goals and maybe some new accounts and so on and so forth, and maybe increased positions. But if you guys have made it this far in the video, I suggest that it's probably a good idea to, tickle the little like button down below somewhere, make it turn blue, let it be happy, And it would really help out the channel grow, being a small channel, and just trying to expose the channel to others that are maybe new to investing, maybe that are looking to dividend investing and just don't know if they can start or if they want to start, because it's as easy as starting with $10 a month and just building your portfolio and your positions from there. As you can see, since starting this portfolio, we have put $100 every single week, and we haven't missed a beat in that. And you can see that the portfolio has come to the point where it's worth $7,644, and we are up almost we're up $1,200, and we continue to see dividends come in, and that's the fun of it, because we are trying to create a cash flow so that when we do need it, let's say in our retirement years, or when we're looking to kind of phase out of the job sector, that we have some sort of cash flow from our investments. And so on that, guys, hopefully you guys have a great weekend. I will be heading to Toronto on Monday, and so I'll be filming there and doing the videos from there. And so my edits might be a bit off, and I just want to give you guys the heads up on there, because I won't be taking my whole system with me to Toronto. I'll just be taking my iPad and my Mac and other things that are needed to do kind of the bare minimum in the videos. But on that, guys, have a great weekend, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.